So I'm not gonna tell my wife about this. I'm gonna wait until she sees what it does herself. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. We've got the simplest modification for your Tesla, but also one of the coolest. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Anton, a power engineer, industrial mechanic, and a Red Seal electrician. We cover all kinds of products and topics in an approachable way for the average everyday person. I'm glad you found us. Hello and welcome back to Gears and Tech. Today, as you heard, we're gonna do one of the simplest mods that you can do to your Tesla that really adds that extra little special flair that others don't have, and they're gonna wish they did after they see this. Yes, that's right. Today we're looking at specialty lighting for our Tesla. Now, the product that we're looking at specifically is car door lighting, specifically more what I've always known as puddle lights. Now, the Tesla doesn't have a whole lot for exterior door lighting. I'm coming from my Mustang Mach-E, which had really cool lights that lit up the ground around you to show everybody that you're driving a Mustang Mach-E. And for whatever reason, the Tesla doesn't have that. So today we're gonna go from this right here, this boring light, and we're gonna turn it into this. Look at that. So first off, we gotta see what's inside this little box so we can figure out how easy this actually is, because I haven't actually installed it yet. Now, this is it here, nothing much. It says special car door light on the outside, and that's it. When we open it up, there's really nothing here. It's, wow. There's not even any instructions. So this is the light. It doesn't look like a whole lot. If I go like this, you guys can see kind of what this is. It's just a light. Now, this is supposed to replace the factory lights without any modification needed. So that's it. There's not a lot to it. So I guess now we just jump straight into the actual install. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. If you've seen some of our content already and have not subscribed, we want you to join our community. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's get back to the video. So we're gonna try and pop this off using the same tool that we got with our Tesla rear seat mod. And then that exposes the factory wiring, which we're just gonna push the little clip in and unplug. I think. Whoa. Okay, that removes the factory LED light. Then we're gonna plug in the new light, which should just plug into that factory harness. And right away, it's starting to light something, but we don't know what it's lighting because it's not dark enough yet. But this will pop back in. I don't know which way it goes though. I still don't really know actually which way I want it to go. I think I'm gonna go this way. Just like that. So now it's in, but we need to do the same thing to the other door, and then I'll pull it in the garage so you can see what it actually looks like. But it's in there. We're gonna do the other door real quick. You're gonna see me backing into the garage and checking this thing out. So we're gonna come into the garage. It's always dark when my wife comes to the garage, so she doesn't know I did this. Now with the garage in, the door closed, we can see what it looks like for the first time. So, open the door up. Oh. And look at that. It says, welcome to Tesla. So I bought the animated one. So the animated one cycles between welcome and Tesla. If you don't want the welcome, you can get a different one that just shows the Tesla or just shows the T, or I think there's another one that just says welcome. But I thought this was a good touch. It says, welcome Tesla. Now you can see the way that I orientated it. And one way that I checked it when I was installing it, because it was too bright out to really see, I held my hand up to it like that, and I could then see the right orientation without having to shine it on the road in the dark. So I was able to put it in, make sure that it was orientated the way that I wanted it to. Now for fun, let's check out the other side too, because I did both sides. So when you open it up, it says welcome and Tesla as you open the door. So I'm not going to tell my wife about this. I'm going to wait until she sees what it does herself. But that's really cool. It's a neat little touch. You open the door, it says welcome Tesla. Beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, this was so easy. You do need either a flat blade or that little popper tool that you saw me use. Chances are, if you've got any of the other Tesla accessories that you've seen on this channel, then you've already got that popper tool anyway. If you are looking for one of these mods or any mods that you've seen us install, check the links in the description. I'll put all of the items that we've installed in the Tesla. Plus, if you're thinking about getting a Tesla, consider using our promo code. It gives you a little bit of a discount. It gets us one little bit closer to unlocking acceleration mode, which I want to take you guys on that journey, but I need to get some more credits first. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. We hope you enjoy the content in this video, and we'd love to have you come back. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And for those subscribers who are looking for that extra special thing that you can do to support this channel, consider joining our members group. That's where we're building this community, the Gears and Tech community, where we can all enjoy content together. You'll get special perks, which we'd love for you to check out by clicking the link down below. For those of you who are just happy to watch the video, that's okay too. You can check out some of our other content right over here, where we've got some previous videos that have already been uploaded and enjoyed by many of our viewers already. We do hope to see you again. This has been Gears and Tech. Have a great day.